Hi guys, my name is Karthik and I tell about number blocks and names of numbers. This is a number block 1, ONG 1. This is a number block 2. It has a 2 blocks. TWO 2. This number block name is a 3. It has 3 blocks. It is RAE 3. This number block is a 4. It has 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. FOU1. Hello guys, my name is Square. This number block is 5. It has 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. F5 is G5. This number block name is 6. It has 6 blocks. In the dice, all are 6 dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. SIX 6. SABGN 7. This number block name is SABGN Rainbow Color 7. Rainbow has 7 colors. That's why this number block has 7 colors. 7 blocks. SABGN 7. EIGHT 8. 8 blocks. That name is Jake. Superhero 8. 9 is a big number and strong number. I see in videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. NINE 9. TEN 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at the guys. 1 number block. 2 number block. 3 number block. 4 number blocks. 5 number blocks. 6 number blocks. 7 number blocks. 8 number blocks. 9 number blocks. And 10 number blocks. Bye bye. Telugu channel ki namaskar.